So this is your worksheet, Chapter 10 for commas, and I've given you instructions in Blackboard how to type your answers. And I've opened a blank document here, so make sure that your name is on there, and make sure that the class is on there. You can put I1, and you can put worksheet 10 commas, and then you can come down here and just put number 1. Okay, so I'm going to bring up the worksheet again. So here you have to insert commas as needed in the following sentences. If it's correct, write the word or the letter C for that number. Okay, so the first one here, we studied newsletters, brochures, and advertisements to examine different font styles. Okay, so newsletters, brochures, and advertisements, we're talking about 3 different things. So this is a series of things. So in this case, we need a comma here, here. So in your Word document, you need to write newsletters, comma, brochures, comma, and. Okay? Second one. What we need are suggestions, not criticism, as our team works to meet the deadline. So from hearing the pause in my voice, can you tell that we need a comma here and a comma here? Not criticism is kind of like an interrupting thought or non-essential. Okay, so in your worksheet document, you're going to write suggestions, comma, criticism, comma, and suggestions. Oops. So that's how you would put your answers in your document. If it's correct, you're going to put a C, or you can write the word correct. Number 3 is not correct. So let's go back to this one. On the other hand, okay, on the other hand is a parenthetical expression. So if you look back in your chapter, and this is on page 250 and 251. If you look at the top of page 251, you see all the different types of parenthetical phrases. These are not all of them by any means, but it does give you an idea. So in this case, we would need to put a comma after on the other hand. Okay? Let me go down to number 14. What it was a problem in communication. So when you have 2 words back to back like that, and I don't recommend writing sentences this way, but you do need to separate it with a comma if you're going to do that. Okay? So you would write the word was and the comma afterwards in your answer sheet. Okay? I can tell you there are 4 of these that are correct out of the 20. Number 7, this is a address written in sentence form on page 252 at the top. There's a paragraph there. This is an example. So you need to make sure that you separate each part of that by a comma. These parts right here. Okay. Most of the others I think that you can pretty much figure out. Let's look at this one here. Connie Chang, the former project manager, always emphasized skills, confidence, and ethics. So there's several commas in the sentence here. Connie Chang, the former project manager, always emphasized skills, confidence, and ethics. Okay. So hopefully this will help you with your worksheet. If you have any questions, let me know. The next video will be the reinforcements for Chapter 10.